Hello students, how are you? Today we are learning inverse circular function chapter 2 RBSc 12th board, and this chapter is also involved in CBSE and ICSE board also. So this chapter is depend on 11th class also. So let's start. Inverse circular function. You know very well, inverse it means reverse. Inverse it means reverse, opposite. Circular and function. I will tell you after about circular. First we will discuss about inverse function. So what is inverse function? You know very well, in my last video you have learned about a function and inverse function also, isn't it? Yes, definitely you have studied about inverse function. So recall, inverse function. What is a function? Function is a relation. Function is a special relation that follows a special rule. That is called a function. For example, suppose fx is equal x square. So let y is equal fx. Let y is equal fx. So y is equal x square. X and y belongs to R, real number. R means real number. Both x and y will be available in set R. Okay. Now arrow diagram. We will learn with arrow diagram. To understand inverse only function, after that inverse. So put this is the called x set, this is y, and this is a function defined y x square. Y is equal x square. Okay. Now put any real number for this. Suppose 1. Take 1. Then what will we get? 1. Take 2. We will get 2 square, 4. Take 3. So 3 square, that is 9. Take minus 1. Minus 1 also related to real number. So minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 square plus 1. Take minus 2. Minus 2 square plus 4. And take minus 3, that is plus 9. Okay, so minus 3 square, that is 9. Now arrow 1 is related to 1, 2 is related 4, 3 is related with 9. So minus 1 and minus 1 is related to plus 1 also, because y is equal minus 1 square, that is plus 1, and minus 2, y is equal minus 2, that is equal plus 4, that is also was to 4. 3 minus 3 also goes 9. So what was the definition of a function in 11th class or my last video? Every element of set X for A has a unique image in set Y. So no one is left, no element will be left in set A, and two elements of set A only have one image. For suppose if I write here 1/2, okay, and there is no element here, so this is not a function because no element will be remain in set A, and distinct image of an element of set A. It means किसी भी एलिमेंट की सेट बी में टू इमेज नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसमें टू इमेज नहीं होनी चाहिए, और कोई भी एलिमेंट इसमें छूटना नहीं चाहिए, सभी से एरो निकलना चाहिए। ये तो है आपका फंक्शन। एक फंक्शन और लेते हैं, y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. So x where x and y belongs to R. R is again real number. So taking arrow diagram or mapping, we are going to understand about function once again. एक एग्जांपल और लेके हम फंक्शन को समझते हैं। दिस इज x, दिस इज y, एंड न्यू रूल, फंक्शन इज अ रूल, फंक्शन इज अ रिलेशन विथ स्पेशल रूल। सो दिस इज रूल y is equal to x. So put 1 get 2, put 2 get 4, 2 to the 4, have -1 get -2, have put it -2 have -4, and so on because real number are many. Okay, so we are only taking 4. This is sufficient. So what are you saying? 1 goes to f image of 1 is 2, f image of 2 that is 4, f image of -1 that is -2, and f image of -2 that is -4. So what are you saying? This is also a function and this is also a function. Why? Because every element has its different image. Every element of set X has its different image in set Y, and no element of set A remained also in this. But here is a problem. Here is a question put up that 1 goes to 1 and -1 also goes to +1, 2 goes to 4 and -2 goes also 4, and 3 goes to 9 and -3 goes 2 elements of 2 different elements. 2 different element has a same image in set Y. So this type function called many one function तो है, but many one function. This is many one function. बहु एककी, many one for in the video students, बहु एककी function. यहाँ पे देखिए आप, distinct elements have distinct f image in set Y. 1 के रिलेशन है 2 के साथ, 2 का है, 2 की एफ इमेज 4 -1 -2 -2 -4, तो डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट है और 1 1 के साथ रिलेशन है, कोई एलिमेंट इसमें छूटा भी नहीं है। तो इसमें क्या है, इसको हम बोलते हैं 1 1 फंक्शन, 1 1 फंक्शन। function, but pre-image, if pre-image of every element of set y or b, every element has its pre-image in set x, then the function called onto also. Onto, this is function many one, onto also, because 1 has its image 1 or more than, no problem, 4 has its pre-image, 9 has its pre-image 2 image, no problem. This is also onto layer, but many one. This is 1 1 and this is onto function. You have seen what is the other name of 1 1 function? That is injection or injective. Other name of 1 1 injection or injective. What is other name of onto? Surjection and surjective. And both the function which is 1 1 and onto, 1 1 onto, both the function called bijective. Why we are learning, why we are studying these things, the previous knowledge, why are we learning this? Because we are studying, we are learning inverse, and when is possible, when function is 1 1 onto, then its inverse will be exist, otherwise it is not possible. So we are here inverse function not possible, because this is many one function, many one onto function. Only in previous video you will see, if function is 1 1 onto or bijective, then only then its inverse will be exist. यानी यदि फंक्शन बाइजेक्टिव है तभी उसका इन्वर्स अवेलेबल होगा, और वो इन्वर्स कैसा होगा, यूनिक होगा। ये लास्ट की थ्योरम जो हमने पढ़ाई थी उसमें आप वीडियो देखें, उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा सारा। तो इन्वर्स फंक्शन पढ़ने के लिए हमने आपको ये एग्जांपल दिया, एक तो फंक्शन का, एक ये फंक्शन का। तो ये तो आपका इन्वर्स फंक्शन नहीं एग्जिस्ट है क्योंकि ये मैनी वन है। तो इन्वर्स फंक्शन के लिए 1 1 onto यानी बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन होना जरूरी है। और 1 1 कैसे होता है, कोई भी एलिमेंट छूटना नहीं चाहिए, और डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट, एवरी एलिमेंट हैज डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज, एफ इमेज इन सेट y, then that will be 1 1, and each element has its pre-image in set A, so we can say that this is onto. And if any function which is 1 1 and onto both, that is called 1 1 onto and or bijective. These are same thing. So now we are going to study about inverse function.